Hey everyone, have you ever applied for a job or signed up for a service online and wondered, do they really need my social security number? It's a valid concern, right? You want to protect your personal information, and giving out your SSN can feel like a big deal. Today, we're diving deep into whether or not Ally Financial actually asks for your social security number, and when, if ever, they might need it. Let's get started. Now, before we jump in, let's talk about why companies might ask for your SSN in the first place. Verification. Your SSN is a unique identifier, so it's used to verify your identity. This helps companies ensure they're dealing with the right person, especially for things like loan applications or opening bank accounts. Credit checks. Many financial institutions, like banks and lenders, perform credit checks to assess your risk. Your SSN is crucial for accessing your credit report. Tax purposes. For some financial products, like investment accounts, your SSN is needed for tax reporting purposes. Important note, sharing your SSN carries risks. It's a valuable piece of information that can be used for identity theft if it falls into the wrong hands. That's why it's crucial to only provide it to reputable companies and when absolutely necessary. Ally Financial specifics. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does Ally Financial ask for your social security number? Generally, yes, Ally Financial will likely request your SSN at some point during your relationship with them. This is common practice for financial institutions. When might they ask? Account opening. When you open an account with Ally, such as a bank account, savings account, or loan, they will typically require your SSN for verification and credit checks. Loan applications. If you're applying for a loan through Ally, your SSN is essential for assessing your creditworthiness and determining your eligibility for the loan. Investment accounts. If you open an investment account with Ally, your SSN is needed for tax reporting purposes and to track your investment activity. Important note, Ally Financial takes your privacy seriously and has measures in place to protect your personal information, including your SSN. Now, let's talk about some important safety tips when dealing with your SSN. Only provide your SSN to trusted and reputable companies. Verify the company's identity before providing any sensitive information. Be wary of phishing attempts. Phishers may try to trick you into providing your SSN through emails, phone calls, or fake websites. Never share your SSN over unsecured channels. Monitor your credit report regularly. This helps you detect any suspicious activity that might indicate identity theft. Pro tip: if you're unsure whether a company legitimately needs your SSN, contact them directly to verify. I know what you might be thinking. Can I avoid giving my SSN to Ally altogether? Limited options. In most cases, providing your SSN is necessary for financial transactions. Alternatives. If available, some institutions might offer limited services without requiring your SSN, but these options are usually quite restricted. In summary, Ally Financial may request your social security number at various points during your relationship with them, primarily for verification, credit checks, and tax reporting purposes. It's crucial to understand that sharing your SSN carries risks, so always prioritize your online security and only provide it to trusted sources. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.